Today I would like to introduce you to the DBPower Compact Digital Air Compressor, which is powered by the cigarette lighter of your car. Even though it's only 7.5 inches by 6 inches by 2.25 inches and weighs only 1 pound 11 ounces, it has enough power to inflate a standard mid-size car tire from 0 to 35 psi in 4.8 minutes. First, plug the 12-volt lighter plug into your cigarette lighter. The cord is about 9.5 feet long and the hose is 22 inches long. Start the car and let it run so that you don't run down your battery. Now, go to the tire that needs to be inflated and set the compressor to the PSI that you desire. I'll set mine for 34 PSI. Screw the compressor hose onto your tire valve. You will see the existing pressure, which in this case is 29.5 PSI. So we will be inflating the tire from 29.5 to 34 PSI. Press the on-off button to on. You can see the digital PSI readings increasing as the tire gets inflated. The compressor took 97 seconds to inflate the tire from 29.5 to 34 PSI. When it got to the desired PSI, it turned itself off. Now I'll inflate a football, which is almost flat, to 8 psi. Attach the ball adapter to the hose. I'll set the compressor to 8 psi. Put the adapter into the football and turn on the compressor. You can follow the progress of the ball inflating by watching the LCD screen. Shortly after it reaches 8 psi, it'll turn itself off. To turn on the bright LED light, press the button with the light icon. If you press it again, you'll get a flashing red light. Press it again and you'll get a red SOS signal. Here's what the light looks like at night. Here's what the red flashing light looks like at night. And here is what the red SOS signal looks like at night. Press it again to turn the light off. The compressor also has an adapter to blow up inflatable beds and the like. The adapters go right here. There is a convenient place to store the cord and a separate area to store the hose. In conclusion, I really like this small compressor. It's surprisingly fast to inflate tires with. It has lights that could be valuable in an emergency. It's versatile and it's inexpensive. Also, it comes with a 12-month money-back, no questions asked guarantee.